Now let me record my video. Let's see where it goes. You can see at my back. Hey. How do you feel? Look at this small cave. Let's see. It's very cold. Let me show you this side. This is river. Oh, wow. Look at this. I'll show you the way. Look at this. Let's see where it goes. This is one way of getting lost and see the world. Wow. My God. Let's go further. This is a place where you can sit. I seem like I think this is the last point of this way. Let's see. Keep going. This is the river on one side, the other side is mountain. Look at this. Oh my God. One of the most amazing places I've ever visited in my life. Interesting, bit of dangerous ways. Look at this. Small ways. I can say pathways. Look, I practice pathways in Toastmasters. Very peaceful. See? Absolute silence. Bye. I'll show you other way. This is beautiful place. Look at this. This place is called Canyon Matka, Skopje, Macedonia. Very first time at such places. I'm here all alone. This is a mountain area. Let's see where it goes. Oh, I can see somebody. A bag over there. Somebody sitting here. Let's see where this way goes. I think I should go back. I can't see anybody here. Look at this. This is a huge cross. See, this is the one of the highest mountains in Skopje, Macedonia. Look at the range of mountains. Oh my God, this is beautiful. This is one of the best view I've ever taken. Oh, that's amazing. Look at this. When I was coming by here, I saw the mountains were very close to the airplane, and I realized why airplane is so low. Actually, airplane was not so low. Mountains are huge. Look at this. I'm in love with this. Wow. And look at this cross. It's a huge cross on the top of the mountain. This is how I came by cable car. This is flag of Macedonia. The cable car. Look at this cable car.